Today we will learn indices and cube root. In previous standard, you learn something about the indices. Here we will see in first example x into x into x into x into x. How many times? 5. Therefore, we will say the power of x equal to 5 or x raised to 5. And how we will write it as x square into x cube, x raised to 4 and x raised to 5. Thus we will write as power of x is 5. Or in other word, we will say that x raised to 5. Raised to x raised to 5. In second example, d into d how many times? Multiplied by 6 times. And therefore, power of d equal to 6. Or in other word, we will say d raised to 6. D raised to 6. How? See. The d raised to 6. Here power of d equal to 6. Here d is called as the base and 6 is called as the index or index for power. Here in first example x is called as the base and 5 is called as the index or power of the x. Now see in third example. Here in third example also see 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times? 5 times. So 2 into 2 equal to 4. 4 into 2 equal to 8. 8 into 2 16. 16 into 2 32. So 2 raised to 5 equal to 32. Someone among you will say that sir 2 raised to 5 equal to 10, but this is wrong. 2 raised to 5 means not 2 into 5. 2 raised to 5 means multiplying 2 by itself 5 times. Here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 5 times, and therefore we will say that 2 raised to 5 and its value will be 32. How? See, 2 raised to 2 equal to 4. 4 raised to 4 into 2 equal to 8. 8 into 2 equal to 16. And 16 into 2 equal to 32. And therefore, 2 raised to 5 equal to 32. So 32 equal to, we will write it as 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5. Done. 2 raised to 5, and if you calculate its value equal to 32. Thus 32 means 2 raised to 5. Here 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5 equal to 32. So listen again. Here the number below is called as the base. Above number is called as the index. Here in case of d is the base, 6 is the index. In case of this number, 2 is the base and 5 is the index. Index is also called as the power. But this index is, if 2, then we call it as the square. Suppose 3 raised to 2. 3 raised to 2. Here we will say 3 raised to 2 means square of 3. 3 raised to 2 means square of 3. Similarly, if power is 3, then we call it as a cube. suppose x into x into x three times, x into x into x three times. We call this number as cube of x. This is cube of x. Means if the power of any number is 3, then we call it as a cube of that number. Similarly, if power of any number is 2, then we call it as a square of that number. So we will see some rules also related to the index, rules of indices, which we learn in the previous standard in 7th standard. See which is that. Here in first example, a raised to m into a raised to n. Here base is a for both number. Base is same, power is different, and therefore its product will be how much? A raised to m plus n. Means if we want to multiply two number with same base, then its index will add to each other. Its power will be added. Now similarly see in case of the division, a raised to m divided by a raised to n. In this case, their power will be subtract. See how? A raised to m minus 1. A raised to m minus 1. Here in case of multiplication, power get added. Power means index. Index म्हणजे घातांक मराठीतून म्हणतो आपण त्याला. Here in case of quotient or भागाकार, भागाकाराच्या बाबतीमध्ये त्यांच्या घातांकाची काय होते? वजाबाकी होते. Here what it was? See. A raised to m divided by a raised to n, which is equal to a raised to m minus n. म्हणजे पॉवरची काय झाली तर सबट्रॅक्शन झाली. आता थर्ड एक्झाम्पल बघा. a is any number, may be real, negative, positive, rational, irrational, any number, only real number. Then if power of any real number is 0, then its value will be what? 1. Its value will be 1. Now see next rule. Power of power. तर घाताचा घात a raised to n आणि त्याचा घातांक m आहे. a raised to n raised to m. So its power will be, see what happens? a raised to n into m. जे घाताचा घात करताना घातांकांचा गुणाकार होतो. आता हा पाचवा नियम बघा. इन केस ऑफ दिस रूल, इफ यू रिमूव्ह दिस ब्रॅकेट, then what will happen? भागाकाराचा घात, that is the power of quotient, which is equal to power of numerator divided by power of denominator. जे न्यूमरेटर आणि डिनोमिनेटरला सेम पॉवर येते किंवा सेम इंडेक्स येतो, म्हणजे समान घातांक असतो. अंशाचा आणि छेदाचा घातांक समान असतो. हियर equal to a raised to minus m divided by b raised to minus m. But if I took this b raised to minus m on the upper side, then this will be like this. And if we take this A on the downward direction, see what will happen. Also see, we will see this rule afterward. Now see in second case, seventh case, A into B raised to M. Then if we take this M inside the bracket, then what will happen? A raised to M into B raised to N. Means if we take the power of product, then this power get distributed among each number. प्रत्येकाला तो घातांक जातो. आता सिक्स्थ रूल बघू आपण. In case of sixth rule, insert A raised to minus M. A raised to minus M. If A raised to minus M, what become here? Equal to 1 upon A raised to M. Similarly, here A raised to minus M, if we take on the denominator side, then it will become as A raised to M. And if we take this B raised to minus M on the upper side, then what will it become? B raised to M. That is, by this rule, B upon A raised to M. That means if we want to change the sign of the index, then if it is on the numerator position, then take it on the denominator position, and if it is on the denominator position, take it on the numerator position. While when we change the position of the number, its power, sign of the index will change. Thus, we learn all rules of the indices. So solve the questions given in the textbook, that is the fill in the blanks. Okay, thank you.